The museum store features a diverse and delightful selection of unique merchandise and specialty gifts inspired by the Toledo Museum of Art's world-famous collection. Hi, I'm Heather. I'm the Retail Operations Manager at the Toledo Museum of Art Museum Store featuring Collector's Corner. And it is gift-giving season, so I wanted to show you a product that's a TMA exclusive. So what we have in the bag is a very special type of yarn, very fine fabric. It has been specially dyed to match the colors in different paintings in our collection. It makes an incredibly beautiful yarn just on its own, let alone anything you'd like to make with it. And this is an exclusive product for us. And there's one of the paintings. And here is another. Monet, of course, one of the most popular on Thebes. And you can't forget Van Gogh, of course. And as you can see with the yarns, they're dyed and the strand changes the color that it's picking up, which is just beautiful in itself. And I have one example of a volunteer at our museum here made this shawl out of one skein of the yarn. And this was done for the Monet Antibes painting. Very beautiful, very unique. You can take a simple design of a shawl and have something completely different than everyone else. So there you have it. Another creative idea to give this season.